Good afternoon, students. Here we can learn MADlib to solve analytics problems in database, and this topic is classified into two sessions. This is the part 1 and we will discuss part 2 in the next session. Right. So as per this session, what is MADlib and how to use the MADlib and what are the benefits of this one. Right. So the key concept is MADlib. So as per the MADlib, here SQL implementations include many basic analytical and statistical built-in functions such as means and variances. Because we know that SQL, so not only for doing the ordinary operations or general operations on the data, we can also use SQL functions to analyze the data. I mean, first of all, we have to know what are the different types of statistical functions are defined in the SQL. By using them, how can we analyze on that data. So furthermore, SQL database can utilize an external library of functions. One such library is known as MADlib. Right. This is the open source, I mean anyone can download from the web, and there are number of functions are there which consists mathematical, statistical and machine learning methods for structured and unstructured data also. That is the greatness of the MADlib. The next one, M stands for magnetic in the MAD. The second one, A stands for ASIL. Third one, D stands for deep. M stands magnetic. The magnetic means actually data warehouse approaches repel new data sources, discouraging their incorporation until they are carefully cleanized and integrated. The second one, ASIL, data warehousing orthodoxy is based on long range and careful design and planning. The third one, deep means so modern data analysis involves increasingly sophisticated statistical methods, so that go well beyond the roll-ups and drill downs of traditional business intelligence. Because while we are doing the analytics or analyzation, we have to go through which one in depth of the data. The next one, so the MADlib supports the open source databases such as PostgreSQL as well as Pivotal. So Pivotal, Greenplum database and Pivotal, Hack, and Hack is a which one SQL query engine for data stored in the Hadoop distributed file system HDFS. The next one, these are the different modules are there in the MADlib. What is the first one? Generalized linear models. Second one, cross validation. Third one, linear systems. Fourth one, matrix factorization. Next one, association rules. Next one, clustering. Topic modeling, the last one. Right. So the generalized linear model having regression purpose, logistic or linear, and multi-nominal logistic regression. So I think you will get these concepts in the data warehouse and data mining. Similarly, cross validation, so to evaluate the predictive power of a fitted model. So like this, there are different modules we are having here. And the next one, descriptive statistics, and the next one, inferential statistics. So and the next one, support modules. Next one, dimensionality reduction. This is also most important in the data analytics, because the data sets may have the hundreds or thousands of which one the attributes, I mean dimensions. Each attribute is nothing but a dimension. Attribute means a field. So to reduce the number of dimensions, so this technique is very much useful. And the last one, this is also very much useful to us, time series analysis. The next, MADLib is used to perform k-means clustering analysis. So, here one example is given in this presentation. So, two customer attribute age and total. What are the attributes names? Age and total sales since 2013 have been identified as variables of interest for the purposes of which one? Clustering analysis. The customer's age is available in the customer's demographics table. The total sales for each customer can be computed from the orders recent table. So, dear students, same tables I have taken to give the explanation from one session to another session also. So, to avoid the confusion, I mean ambiguity. So, and here first of all we have to create an empty table to store the input for the k-means analysis, because k-means algorithm is the one of the most important and general algorithm in the data warehouse and data mining for doing the data analytics. Okay. So, to do that one, so this is the syntax actually we can use. Create table, we have created this one. So, after that, so the input is taken by inserting the records. So, like this, and so after that examine the first 10 rows of the input. How to do that one? So, here you are seeing, dear students, select asterisk from customer A sales, order by, customer ID, how many records? 10 records. Limit is defining the range. Then, so customer ID coordinates. So, one is 32, 14.98, 2 32, 51.948. So, like this you are getting like this from 1 to 10, because we have defined as a which one? Limit. So, that is why we got this result. So, this is about a brief concept, a brief introduction or summary of the which one? MADLib, which is a valuable tool. So, in the field of data analytics. So, these are the two simple questions, self-assessment questions. One is MADLib is on. There are 4 options. Just you go through this one, dear students, and this next one, Dash has the world's largest Hadoop cluster. So, imagine yourself. So, after that you can understand. So, what is the answer to this one? MADLib is an open source library and Dash has the world's largest Hadoop cluster. So, that is nothing but, so data metrics, which is one? Data metrics, data metrics. The next one, these are the questions, terminal questions are defined in this session. So, these are the references and web links. Thank you.